Hey folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at my stock portfolio through Ally and how it performed in the month of January of this year, 2025, all the individual dividends that I earned, and how I rebalanced my portfolio by reinvesting dividends that I earned last month into my portfolio. Now, if you are new here, I ask that you subscribe to my channel, you like this video, and you leave a comment down below. We are trying to grow this channel. And if you're a returning viewer, I'm happy to have you. And let's go ahead and jump into the breakdown of this. Let's take an overview of my portfolio. We know that we ended 2024 with it valued at $39,941.50. A few weeks ago, I did an entire portfolio breakdown. I broke down each different sector in my portfolio with each specific stock in my sector, what the weight is of each one of those, and all that information. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check out that video. I will link up above, and it's also on my website. You can download the entire PDF of every single individual stock in my portfolio, and that's out there for you, free information there. But we ended 2024, $39,941. We ended January with increase of 2.43% in market value for a gain of $970.35, giving my total value to $40,911.85. We are off to a very strong start. 2.4% increase is very, very good, and I'm happy to see that. Let's go ahead and see my strategy, how each one of the sectors are performing, and stocks that I bought in January. So as far as last month in January, we ended with the sectors being weighted as this: finance 25, tech 23.4, real estate 12.7, consumer staples 14.2, utilities 8.9, healthcare 3.3, energies 4.7, telecommunication 2.3, bonds and ETFs 1.2, industrials 2.1, consumer discretionary at 1.5, and materials at 0.6. Jumping over to where we're at right now, I double sectored it, whatever. It looking pretty good. Finance is up a little bit. Tech has decreased a tiny bit. Real estate is still down below our target, as well as healthcare. A lot of them are down below. But we know that we're going to focus again on real estate and healthcare moving forward. We can see our total dividend has increased quite a bit from $1,296 to $1,312. And as far as stocks that we purchased, we focused on real estate, trying to bring this back up to that 15% target breakdown. As it is, real estate is the biggest dividend payer in my portfolio completely as far as sectors go. We purchased 2 shares of ticker symbol OHI for $37.63 a piece, and then 1 new share of ticker symbol NLY for $19.36, meaning we reinvested $94.62 back into my portfolio by purchasing new shares of stock off dividends that we earned. Speaking of dividends, let's look at all the total amount that I earned in dividend income for January this year. So we can see we earned $118.49 in dividend income for the first month in 2025. We'll see this just grow and grow and grow until the end, and we know that we want to earn quite a bit of money. Let's jump over our goals real quick here before we get into the individual ones. So the goal is to reach $1,400 in dividend income this year. We will see how that goes. We have many, many months of income to impact this, but that's looking pretty good. Let's jump into the individual dividends that I earned for this month of January. All right, dividend number 1 coming in on the 2nd of January is ticker symbol PPL. We earned $3.86 from the 15 shares that I own, and this company is up about $82 in its position. Dividend number 2 coming in on the 3rd of January is ticker symbol QSR, which is Restaurant Brands. It is a Canadian company, so we are seeing a 15% tax taken out courtesy of my brokerage account. So we ended up taking in 99 cents from the 2 shares that I own, and this company is staying steady, about a loss of 3.6%. Dividend number 3 coming in on the 7th of January is ticker symbol DIN. We earned $1.02 from the 2 shares that I own, and this company is loss of 62.7%, about $102 in market value loss there. Dividend number 4 coming in on the 8th of January is ticker symbol EMN. We earned $1.66 from the 2 shares that I own, and this company is up about 13% in total market gain. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from 81 cents a share to 83 cents a share, so 2-cent increase. And they're the only company in my portfolio that we're seeing in this breakdown that increased their dividend this month. Dividend number 5, coming in again on the 8th of January, is ticker symbol MRK. We're in $1.62 from the 2 shares that I own, and this company is staying pretty steady with a gain of about 15.4% in market value. Dividend number 6, coming in on the 9th of January, is ticker symbol GSK, which is a United Kingdom company, so we are seeing a 1% tax taken out courtesy of my brokerage account. So we earned $1.85 in dividend income from the 5 shares that I own, and we are down in about 10%. Not 10%, we're down about 10 cents in market value in this position. Dividend number 7, coming in on the 10th of January, is ticker symbol MDT. We earned $2.10 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are down about 15.7% in this position. Dividend number 8, coming in on the 13th of January, is ticker symbol PM. We earned $9.45 from the 7 shares that I own, and we're up over 66.5% in the position for a gain of over $364 in market value. And this company is valued at 2.23% of my entire portfolio. And based off the last breakdown, we're looking at just over 1.5% is the average portfolio value in my company, in my stock portfolio. Dividend number 9, coming in on the 14th of January, is ticker symbol MDLZ, with $1.88 from the 4 shares that I own, and we are down about 84 cents in this position, so pretty flat there. Dividend number 10, coming in on the 15th of January, is ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income Corporation. We earned $2.90 from the 11 shares that I own, and we are down about 10.5% in this position for a loss of about $70. Dividend number 11, coming in on the 15th of January, is ticker symbol STAG. We were 99 cents from the 8 shares that I own, and we were down about $20 in this position. Dividend number 12, coming in again on the 15th of January, is ticker symbol USB. We were at $8 from the 16 shares that I own, and we are up over 24.5% in this position for a gain of $150. Dividend number 13, coming in on the 22nd of January, is ticker symbol CSCO. We earned 40 cents from the 1 share that I own, and we are up $11.66 for a gain of 23.8% in market value. It's a very small percentage of my portfolio, coming in at 0.15%, so not even 0.2% of my portfolio. Dividend number 14, coming in on the 23rd of January, is ticker symbol NYNT, which is New York Mortgage Trust. We earned $10 from the 50 shares that I own, and we're down 75.9% in this position for a loss of $948, which is a big ouchers, but we're still watching this company. Dividend number 15 is one of my monthly dividend earners, coming in on the 27th of January, ticker symbol EFC. We're in $7.15 from the 55 shares that I own, and we are down about $306 in this position, a loss of about 30%, and it comes in about 1.69% of my entire portfolio. Dividend number 16, coming in on the 29th of January, is ticker symbol BNS, the Bank of Nova Scotia, which is Canadian, so we're seeing that 15% tax come out. We earned $3.11 from the 5 shares that I own, and we are up about 17% in this position, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 17, coming in on the 31st of January, is JP Morgan Chase & Company. We earned $8.75 from the 7 shares that I own, and this company is up almost 95% in market value, total gain of $910.56, and this is one of the bigger companies in my portfolio, coming in at 4.57% of the entire portfolio breakdown. Dividend number 18, coming in again on the 31st of January, ticker symbol LTC, another monthly dividend earner. We're in $1.90 from the 10 shares that I own, and we are down about 8% in this position for a loss of about $31. Dividend number 19, coming in on the 31st of January, ticker symbol NLY. We earned $32.50 from the 50 shares that I now own. Average price for those 50 shares is $22.93. We're seeing that slightly increase over time because the value of the shares are going up as I continue to purchase them. We are down about 11.1% in market value since I purchased the average price of those. So for a total loss of about $127. But this company does make up 2.5% of my entire portfolio breakdown, so slightly bigger egg in the basket there. Div number 20 coming in on the 31st of January is ticker symbol RITM. We earned $16.50 from the 66 shares that I own, and we are up over $140 in this position, about 22.7% in market value increase. And then dividend number 21, the last dividend earned this month, is ticker symbol TD, which is Toronto Dominion Bank. Canadian, 15% tax coming out. We brought in $1.86 in dividend income from the 3 shares that I own, and we are almost completely even this position for a loss of about $1.43. So that wraps up the 21 individual dividends that earned that $118 in dividend income. Let's go ahead and look at the statistics. My favorite part of this entire breakdown of how my portfolio is performing as far as all of these dividends and yields and market value increases is going. So the biggest one that we have is the dividend yield, and this is based off a monthly dividend yield, not an annual. So this is how much we're making every single month off of this portfolio. January we ended at 3.21%, but the goal is to have 4% dividend yield. We have been chasing that, and we are right now operating a little bit below that essentially this entire year. So we got to reevaluate how I'm doing my breakdown to kind of bring that up a little bit. As far as average dividend yield per year, we're looking at $1,312.48. Per month, that's about averaged $109.37. Per week, that's $25.24. Per day, we are now earning $3.60 in dividend income, passive dividend income, I should say. Per hour, it's 15 cents. Per minute, we're still at 0.2 cents of a penny. And then if we were to compare this to an average 40-hour work week, we'd be making 63 cents per hour. We'll see this kind of increase over a year because we ended December at $3.55 in average daily dividend income. We jumped up 5 cents to $3.60 in dividend income, but we're going to watch this continue to increase over the next 11 months. As far as goals for the portfolio, we know we want to reach $1,400 in dividends this year. We also want the portfolio value to reach $44,750, which if we look at the dividends, it would be about $113 in dividend monthly average income, and then $3.62 a day in dividend income, which we are 2 cents away from with this big jump here. We'll see these kind of increase over time as we knock these out of the park. Long-term goals, $600,000 portfolio, earning 4% monthly dividend return, not annual, monthly, which is about $2,000 a month in dividend income, or $65.75 a day. And we can track this all the way down on all of these with our goals here. The current status, $40,911, earning about $118 this year so far in dividends. So a long way to go, but we're 1 month in and we are going strong. And I'm excited to reinvest money and see how we do in the month of February as far as dividend yield. We know that February is going to be on the lower end of our dividend income because most companies are paying out their dividends quarterly, and we have a large portion of them paying out the first month in the quarter, and then a slightly smaller amount paying out on the third month in the quarter, and then the least in the middle. So we'll see that impact. So we're hoping for maybe we'll get $100 this month in February, but who knows? We'll see how it goes. I'm excited for this year. Hopefully your portfolio also performed really well, even if it's not focused on dividends and it's on market growth, whatever it looks like. I hope it's doing well for you. And I will leave this video here. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye, folks.